Rachel from the Feed, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cocktail. Today we're going to use their delicious strawberry one to make a rosé strawberry mint kind of like spritzer. It's going to be delicious, so let's start. So I have a glass full of ice right here with me, and I am going to add some fresh sliced strawberries in there. And these are perfect because Spindrift uses all natural and real ingredients when making their drink flavors. So let's go ahead and add our berries. You can add as many or as little as you like. There we have it. And then I'm gonna top this with some rosé. So let that bubble up settle, and then I'm gonna crack open a Spindrift and top it. Amazing. So just gonna pour that over. Such a beautiful pink color. And then, of course, we're gonna add some mint. And what I like doing to my mint is just giving it a little like tap. That way all of those natural oils release. And just go ahead and stick that right in there. I'm gonna put a straw in here, give it a little mix, and there you have it. A delicious, easy, healthy drink made with Spindrift. So I would like to note that Spindrift gets all of their fruits from family-owned farms, and that is awesome. So I'm going to be drinking Spindrift all summer long, and I want to see what you're sipping on. So enter our summer contest with Spindrift to win some amazing prizes. All you need to do is post a photo or a video on Instagram showing us what you are drinking this summer, and you can find all the details in the captions below. And if you want the recipe for this delicious drink, go to thefeed.com, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.